Milk is super tasty, right? So today I'm back with another video, and I want to show you how I built this website. Maybe you already saw it on Instagram on my reel. So I'm gonna show you today step by step how to build this in Wix Studio. I hope you like it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of the website. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Also, if you have a project for your own website, then at the moment I'm doing free hero section designs. So if you need a hero section design for your own website project for free, then either DM me on Instagram or just write a comment under this video. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe please if you like this content, and like the video if you want to see more of these tutorials. Let's get started. Cool, so I'm in the fresh project. I've already added a logo up here and the company name, which is Moo. I also did a horizontal menu already. So now let's start with the first section, the hero section, which you can get for free from me if you have your own project, as I already mentioned. Just contact me. And I already added some photos, some images that we're going to use to my Wix Studio project. So for now, for the hero section, we're going to choose this picture, add it to the whole background. Also, we're going to use advanced sizing and set the viewport height of the first section to 100. As a next step, let's set the header to pinned. Then we should add our H1. As a next step, I'm gonna add a subheader to the hero section to have a little bit more text. We're gonna add a little bit of information about milk. We should also give this page some padding. So I'm gonna give 2% on the left side and 2% on the right side as well. And then I want to add a line. Next, we also want to add some buttons. I'm gonna switch out the symbol for that one. And I want to rearrange it the other way around. And also the text should be a little bit bigger. Like this, it looks fine. We also need a second button, so that we're going to duplicate this one like this. And let's add them into a stack. It's first section done. Let's continue to the next one. First of all, for this one, let's adjust the sizing, also to be a viewport height of 100. And let's give this a padding as well. 4% on top, 2% on the sides, and 8% for the bottom, which is going to be important later. So let's start with a grid layout for this section. I'm going to make 3 rows that we will separate by 24 pixels horizontally, no, vertically. And we want to split each of these rows also vertically. Move it a bit to the left and also get the spacing between to 24 pixels. Next step is to get each of these cells an edge and make the corners rounded out. And give it a different color. For this we choose the color of the edge. Put the width of the edge to 2 and round up the corners to 20 pixels. The next thing I want to do is add a photo to this left upper cell, which I already have prepared here, and let's add it in there. As a next step, I also want to get some text in here, and let's make it a heading 2. The heading should have also this turquoise color. Let's give it also another font. I also want to give this container or this cell a padding of 2% on each side. So in order to dock this to the bottom and to the left, we're gonna call this glass of milk, and increase the size of the text. Okay, so I added the last 2 cells as well, the last 2 rows. And what I want to show you is that I also added a transparent video in here, which you can see here right now. When I click change video, the only thing you have to do is go to Wix by Media and then choose videos with transparent background. Then you can find all of these cool animations here, or videos that you can put on your website. And I just put in milk and it gave me this moving sphere. It looks like milk, so it's fine. It's actually a cool thing to check out. And what I also did is add this cow right here and animate it. So what I did is I chose a scroll animation with a move, leaving the design, so scrolling down. And what basically happens is that the cow moves out of the screen when you scroll. So basically what you choose is 124 degrees, so it goes out down to the right. The animation starts when you're in the middle of the screen, so you just need these settings in order to make an object move to somewhere while you're scrolling down. Yeah, so let's check what it looks like for now, the website. As we can see, the colors are changing once hovering over it. This video with transparent background is moving and warping, and yeah, everything is fine. And once we scroll, as already shown, the cow is moving out of the picture. So yeah, I think for now it looks quite nice. And this was part 1 of the website build of the milk website. So yeah, if you want to see a part 2, then subscribe to this channel. Like the video. I will upload the part 2 for the last 2 sections soon. So stay tuned for that. And also follow me on Instagram at Junglebyrd_official. And if you actually have your own website project going on at the moment, or you're planning to do a website project and you need some inspiration to do that, at the moment at Junglebyrd we have a special offer. We offer a free hero section design, so the first section of your website. We will design it for you for free, just based on little information on your company or your project that you have to provide to us, and we will tailor a custom hero section for you. So just reach out to me or to my team on Instagram, DM us there at Junglebyrd_official, or just write a comment into the YouTube video down below that you were interested in a free hero section design, and we'll find a way to connect to each other. You can also email me at info@junglebyrd.net and just write me that you heard about this offer on my YouTube videos, and then I will gladly get back to you right away. So yeah, this was part 1, and stay tuned for part 2. See you the next time. Bye bye.